everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our Tesla look Android in a Porsche Cayenne 2012. That's how the unit looks like. As you can see, it's perfectly match and blend to the dash. This car came already with the navigation and with backup camera. We just add the Tesla look Android unit instead of the OEM PCM 3.1. Right now, as you can see, we are on Google Maps. Backup camera still working. And we can go to the main page. All the apps are here. You can download any other apps that you want. The Android version that this system is using, it's 7.1. And you can play video, music and everything, and it retains the factory USB. So I'm gonna add one USB multimedia right now to the factory USB. This unit comes with two different harness. One is the one that the car comes with the amp with the Bose sound system, and the other one is car doesn't come with the amp. And this specific one, as you can see on the door of the car, it shows Bose, so it's a Bose sound system. So we can go to videos and we can watch the video. The steering wheel works.
Try to save as many people as we can. Sometimes that doesn't mean everybody. But you don't give up.
And also radio is right here. Let me do my seatbelt to show you the information for the radio. Still shows on the cluster. And here we have the Bluetooth, and also it shows the car information like RPM, speed of the car, how much gas left, and there is some settings that you can do through the screen. On few pages, the door lock, car auxiliary, and all those features. And also we did offline map on this unit too, so you can do offline map as well. And there is an option to add DVR. We can add auxiliary like a DVD player if you need a DVD player. Anyways, it comes with USB, so you can use any type of format to download movies and play it through the same screen. If you're interested to get this type of Porsche unit for Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Macan and Porsche Panamera, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.